whiplash is a term used to describe the effect of a road traffic accident, more commonly a rear-end collision, on the head and neck, which is called an acceleration or deceleration. So here is the neck, and if you're hit from behind, initially the body is thrown forward and the neck and head are thrown backwards. So you get this extreme strain into extension, and then the secondary movement is as the head and neck go forwards again when the body and the car come to a rest. Even in low velocity accidents, less than 20 miles an hour, the forces on the tissues, like the ligaments in the back of the neck, can be as much as 9G, 9 times gravitational force. So it's a lot, and this can damage soft tissues, discs and nerves, and even bones when severe. It leads commonly to neck pain, stiffness, sometimes tingling, pins and needles in the arms or hand, and a tension headache which can come right up the back of the head, even to the front and over the eyes.